I think within this Indian takeaway market or any takeaway market, the amount of waste is just astronomical. The single-use plastic ban is a good next step. And if we can take out some of those sort of base level polystyrene, types of packaging, I think we're just edging slowly towards a more sustainable future. So the idea for tiffins came about because I was importing stainless steel cookware from India at the time. So I visited a supplier in Mumbai and he just manufactured some insulated tiffins for the Indian market. Tiffins are being used in Mumbai to provide wholesome homemade food to the workers in the city for the last 100 years. So I brought some over to Bristol, put them on the counter and just started to pitch the idea of taking food away in a reusable container. So this is a tiffin. And what a tiffin is it's a stack of 4 insulated compartments that interlock together. And the way our scheme works is that you purchase a tiffin, it's £25. First time you purchase it, it comes full of food. And then every time you come in, you get to choose the different types of curry you want. And we fill each of the sections with a different dish. And that's it. A lot of people find out about it through word of mouth because it is quite a unique experience. That people talk about it and tell their friends about it. It takes a while for people to get their heads around the fact that you can do something differently. So you have to rely on those sort of early adopters, to take the lead. And thankfully, Bristol does have a lot of people with that sort of mindset. What reusable packaging does offer is consumer loyalty. And it's becoming more and more important as more people become aware of the huge impact disposable packaging is having on the environment. So I think the people that act quicker will gain that sort of halo effect of having consumers turn to them and trust them, not just on the packaging, but in the way they operate their business. And also it's cost effective because we're not paying for the takeaway. It's a lot easier for us to bring that price down. And I think that's the trade-off that all businesses, that's the sort of path they're trying to trade at the moment, is trying to make sure you don't ostracize certain groups of people from using or buying your product, whereas at the same time you adhere to those sort of values that you set out to maintain.